This is just a little photo op scene in between our songs in the Christmas light show. This is our nativity setup. This is all being run by a single Raspberry Pi 3 with a DPI board direct to the lights. There's no other fancy controller in between the Pi and the LEDs. These are all WS2811s and 12s. Well, except the projector there. We've got a virtual grid running on the garage door. It used to be a bunch of LED strips, but we replaced those with a projector just to make it a little bit simpler. Along the front we have our fence, but it also depicts the nativity story. And several of the songs highlight the sections of the fence that are relevant to the lyrics. There's our angel and shepherds and sheep, a donkey. It's Mary and Joseph in the manger inside a large gift box, which was God's gift to us. And then there's 3 wise men, and this year the camel is new. We also have our, it's not really a mega tree, kind of midi tree. It's like 11 feet tall, and then a star up on top there. In the background we have our icicles and snow globes. Those snow globes actually turn out pretty versatile. They're great for round shapes, or round-ish shapes, bells, angels. And they also do, the pinwheel effects from xLights look really great on this. The Raspberry Pi is running Falcon Player 6.1, and xLights 22.20 was used for the sequencing. And post some questions if you have any other questions or comments.